Part 1 English Easy Practice Daily Conversation for Fluency. Introduction. Welcome to the English Easy Practice course. This program is designed to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills through everyday conversation. You will hear dialogues set in different situations, learn useful vocabulary, and gain confidence in real life communication. Budgeting tips. A practical conversation between John and Sarah. Discussion about money and the stress they had. John: Hey Sarah, I have been thinking about saving money, but it's tough. Any advice? Sarah: Start by listing your monthly expenses, rent, groceries, bills, and compare them to your income. John: That makes sense. What else? Sarah: Cut unnecessary spending, for example, limit eating out to once a week. Cooking at home saves a lot. John: Good idea. How about long term savings? Sarah: Build an emergency fund. Even small monthly contributions help. Also, track spending with the budgeting app. John: Thanks, let's try a home cooked meal tonight. Key takeaways. Track income and expenses. Reduce non-essential purchases. Use tools like apps to monitor spending. Creative money saving. A light-hearted dialogue. Tom shares his quirky shame. Tom: I have been saving like a pro. I brew coffee at home and named my machine Penny Pincher. Sarah: That's clever. What else, Tom? I cancelled my gym membership. Now I lift soup cans. Also, I add impulse buys to a wish list instead of buying. Sarah: Resourceful. I carpool with co-workers. We call ourselves the 30 working fields. Let's move to the vocabulary highlights. Penny pincher, which means someone who saves money diligently. Thrifty commuters, a group sharing rides to others. Exam preparation, a sportive chat. Mark and Sarah plan. Mark: I am nervous about exams. Haven't started studying. Sarah: Let's make flashcards and quiz each other, and don't forget sleep is crucial. Mark: Great plan. History is my weak point. Sarah: We will tackle it together. Stay confident. The tip is that study groups and time management is very important. Let's move to part 2, which involves fun with idioms and phrases. Love advice from the unexpected lag humorously. Jack: My friend asked me for dating advice. Me: The eternal single guy. Jill: That's like asking a penguin how to fly. Jack: I told him, be yourself and follow your heart. Classic, right? Jill: At least you are good listener. That counts, Jack. True, but my advice comes with a disclaimer. No guarantees. Jill: Being single like has perks. Let's move to the idioms explanation. Spill the beans, which means reveal a secret. Half the battle, which means the toughest part of a task. Repetition for fluency. To speak English fluently, listen repeatedly to absorb vocabulary. Practice aloud until words flow naturally. Use the question answer method to reinforce learning. Example: How do you save money? The answer will be: I track expenses and limit dining out. Conclusion: Consistent practice with real life dialogues builds fluency. Like any skill, repetition is key. Keep listening, speaking, and expanding your vocabulary. Call to action: enjoyed these lessons or not. Please like and subscribe for more English